Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me, Bern. So in this channel, I share about my travels, foods, and my freelancing journey. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Divi as a builder in your WordPress website. So let's assume you already have a WordPress website and you want to use Divi as your builder. So before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, so you won't be missing any of my upcoming vlogs and tutorials. Alright, so I'm going to be sharing you my screen, and from that, we're going to go through the process. Alright, so in your WordPress site, this is the back end. So this is the first thing that you're going to be seeing. So let's assume you already have installed WordPress and you want to use Divi. So first thing that we need to do is to go to plugins and add new if you are going to be installing the Divi plugin. But if you're going to be using a theme, Divi theme, then you just want to go to appearance and then click on themes. And then we're going to be adding the Divi theme. So here on the themes, we're going to be clicking the add new theme, and then let's find Divi. Alright, and then click upload and then choose the file from your computer. Alright, and then click hit install. Click the install button and wait for the Divi theme to be installed. Alright, so what you want to do is to click the activate button so we can start using Divi. So once the theme is activated, let's go see what it looks like. Oh. Here. So this is the first thing that you're going to be seeing once you install Divi. So on my case, I already have set up the menu. So what we're going to do first is to create pages and menu. So for us to do that, we have to go to the dashboard. And then, again, go to go to appearance and then go to menus if you already have pages. So on my case, I already have created 2 pages. So wait, let me show you that first. So let's click on the pages and then all pages. So I already have home and about. So let's say you want to add a new page on WordPress. So you just click this, add new, and then hover on the new plus new and then click on page, or the other way is here, pages, and then click add new. And then let's say we're going to be creating a contact page. So here. Alright, so when you add new pages or a page, so this is the first things that you're going to be seeing. So you just have to close it and then put a title for your page. So in this case, we're going to be creating the contact us page. And then hit publish and then publish again. So that's how you create a page. So okay, let's go back to the dashboard and then we create a menu. So for us to create a menu, you have to go to the left sidebar and look for the appearance button and then hover through it and go to menus. So as you can see, I already have created a menu, but then for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be creating a new one. So if you want to create a new menu, you just have to click on create a new menu. And then name your menu. So in this case, let's go for primary menu. And then use it as the primary, then create. Alright, so once you have created a menu, it's time for you to add the tabs or the navigations for that menu. So here you can see the most recent, or if you want to view all the pages that you have, just have to click view all. So here are the pages that I have for this WordPress. So I want to add home, about, and then contact us. So you have to click add to menu. And then once those tabs are added, you may want to rearrange your menu, and you can do that by dragging like that, or you want to go it back like this, just put it. And then if you want to make a sub menu, you just have to, let's say you want the contact page to be a sub menu of about, so you just have to drag it to your right, and then that's it. So it became a sub menu. But for this case, we want all these 3 pages to be added on the main tabs. Alright, and then once you're happy with your menu, you just have to click save. Alright, so let's go back to this site, or the home of the site, and let's see if the menu is updated. So that's it. We have set the menu to be home, about, and contact us. So let's visit and let's see if it's working. Alright, so there we have it. So that's how easy you can make a menu in WordPress. So now we're gonna be using Divi Builder to create our home page. So let's go back to our pages and then show all the pages. And then, alright, so let's say we're gonna be using the home page to be the one that we're going to be designing. So we can go to edit, or directly click the edit with Divi. So for the sake of this tutorial, I want you to see the back end before we use Divi as our builder. So here it is. It's in WordPress you can use the classic editor, wherein you could just type in here the content, or for this tutorial we're gonna be using the Divi Builder. So we just have to click the use the Divi Builder button, and then after that we have to click again the edit with the Divi Builder. So we'll be taken to the page where we can design. Alright, so at this point you just have to click the start building, and then when you click the start building, there's going to be 3 options that will be shown to you. So it's the start building, browse layout. For the start building, it's like building a page from scratch, and then choose a pre-made layout. This is like Divi will be showing you templates templates which are already designed, and you can just change the content of the design. And then here's the clone existing page. As the name itself, you're going to be duplicating an existing page, which in case you like the design or the structure of the page that you just want to clone it. So for this tutorial, we're going to be building from scratch. So since I already have this content, so first we just have to delete that. So you will see that if I hover on the content, you will see that there's the green square. So this means it is a row, yeah. And then the other blue is the section. So for this case, we're going to be deleting the row. So it's like starting from scratch. So using Divi, the first thing that you can do is to create a section. So that section, it is where you can create rows or insert modules. So let's say on our first section, we want to put like a big image as the top image, or the first section that's, an appealing picture that will attract more of your visitors. So for us to do that, we have to hover on the right side and then click on the setting icon, and then for the design, here, layout, wait, sorry, yan. Click the content button, and then for the background, just we can select color if you want a color background, but on this case I want to use an image as the background. So wait, yeah, image. And then you can upload a photo, or choose from the media library pictures you already have. So let's say I want to use this picture. Alright, and then here, so on the content tab, you want to make the position of the image to be top center. So it means it's going to be showing more of the top, while the y-axis is on the center. But looking at this image, I don't like its position, so we're going to be using center, or just center. Alright, and then for this, and then if you're happy of the structure, just hit save changes. Or if you want to increase the height of this section, I think you can do that here. Sizing. Alright. Minimum height. So let's say 500. That's it. Let's make it just 300. Alright. Oh, 450. Sorry. You can use this parallax effect. So parallax effect is when you scroll, see? When you scroll the site or the page, the image or the background is moving. I think it's good for me. So let's say you want to add a module or a text above this image. So you can easily do that by clicking on the green plus button. So it will give you an option to use the full width, or 2 rows or 3 rows. So for this case, let's use the 1 row only. So that's it. Once you click the structure of the row that you want to use, then you will be shown the modules that you can put inside that row. So let's say we want a heading or text. Yeah, text. Let's put a text. As you can see here, you can input text. So welcome to GoPix. So that's it. You can drag this on this side so you can see what you're editing. Then you can highlight that and make the position to center. And then go to design, and then choose the font here. Let's say I want this Abiz. And then the font weight, let's make it bold. And then color white. And then for the text size, here, just make it 50. Alright. So as you can see, the text is not on the center of the image. So for you to do that, spacing there. So for the margin, you can add like 200. See? And then click hit save. So as you can see, the image is now, oh wait, it's not centered. Let's edit again. And then instead of 200, let's make it 150. Alright, and then let's put a shadow. Text. That's it. That looks better. Alright, so that's it. We now have our first section. So once you're happy with that, once you click this, the check button or the save changes, it will be saved. So now let's add another section. So for us to add another section, wait, let's close this part. You will see that if you hover the bottom part of that section, there's a blue plus sign wherein it, when you hover on that, it will show the add new section. So let's click on that. So for the specialty, like for the regular, it will be, yeah, I mean, you can select the structure of the row. So let's say you want it to be in 2 rows. So that's it. So let's put a video. Sorry. Video on this side. So if you want to be, if you want to add a video, you can just upload a video here. This, add a video, or simply remove that one. Add video or upload a video or insert from a URL. So let's say we're gonna be getting one of my videos.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So probably kinilik mo tong video na to.
Let's say I want to use this video.
If you're like me.
Share. So you just have to copy the link, then go back to where you're editing, and then insert it into your post or into the module. Alright, so once the video is inserted, just have to click save. And then let's say on the second row you want to add a text or a blurb. You can easily find it in the modules. So let's say, where's the blurb? Just have to type it if you can see it. That's it. So for the blurb, you can edit the title. Wait, let's move it here so you can see what I'm editing. So this is my title. This is my title. And for the text, you can change this part. You can add or delete some of the content. Let's say that's it. And then for the image, you can click on the image and icon. So if you want to use an icon, you just click yes, and then you can choose from the icons that's going to be shown to you. So let's, for this tutorial, let's not use an icon. Instead, let's use an image. So again, you can upload an image or select from your files. So let's say I want my image there. That's it. And if you want to resize it, you can go to design and then go to sizing. You can do it with the content width. So that's it. You just have to reduce its size. So let's make it 200 there, and then apply. So that's it. And let's say you want to add another button here, you can do that again. So click the insert module button, then search for, here's the button. Oops, just click button and it will be shown. So let's say visit here, and then it put the link here. So for this case I don't have a specific link. And then for the design, you can choose the alignment to be on the center, and then you can change the color of the button here. Yeah, then you can pick the color, the button text, let's say make it white, and then the bottom background make it like blue, and then hit save. So that's it. So that's how you edit or create a page using a Divi Builder. So yeah, you can play with the design depending on your imagination, or if I were you, before you design a page, make sure that you have a design in mind already, so it will be easier for you to navigate the elements and the modules that you want to be added on the page. So I think we covered it already. So that's it. And then once you're done with your design, you just have to click on this button with the 3 dots. Click on it and then click save. Alright. So let's say you want this page to be the home page. What you have to do is to click again and go back to the dashboard, and then go to settings here, settings, and go to reading, and then choose a static page, and then for the home page just click the home. So whenever someone visits your site or your domain, they will be shown the home page or the home that you designed. So let's go check. So that's it. That's what we've designed. Alright, so my internet is a bit slow at the moment. I hope you're still able to grasp the idea of how you can create a web page or a site using a Divi Builder. So again, this is me, Bern, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.